Hi everyone, this is Sambava Girls again. I have been missing my recording, so this is actually the beginning of day 5 today, July 4th. As you can see, the work has been going really well. I've been making lots of progress, lots of changes ever since last time I was here. So boy, here is the head of the construction guy, so that's Zuzu. I trust him, he does his work really well, he knows what he's doing. As you can see how strong my building is, otherwise I wouldn't be using him. Okay, here again is the view of the neighbor. Now this is again, in case you've missed the earlier video, this is the quartier of Antembi in Sambava. So if you can see up there, there is another construction going on. That's for a big bus in Sambava. It's a big building for vanilla storage, I believe. So here is the neighborhood again, Antembi. It's first day, July 4th of July 2013. Here are the workers. They are just beginning of the day. Oh, it takes them sometimes to get into the work site, but anyway, eventually they will be here and they will get everything done. I believe by the end of this, well, their plan is by next week, the wall will be all up. They will have all the support along the wall and they will be preparing for the roof. So the roof of this house is going to be again, as they call, dal, meaning it's a cement roof. So I can use upstairs as like a garden or whatever I please to do. So to be able to use the upstairs, the roof, I have to have it that way. So nothing to worry about. It's a really nice neighborhood. It's been my place since I was a little girl, and it's still my place when I come to Sambav, and I love it. Enjoy being here. I love my family, I love my friends here. So here are all the area. I'm going to take a tour of the place. Careful. Show you around a little bit. Inside. There you go. A couple of people are hanging around, I guess, waiting for somebody to tell them what to do. Anyway, it's the beginning of the day, so it's usual. That's how things work in general. So anyway, as you can see, there are rooms already ready somewhere, and not bad, really not bad. So far I'm happy, and hasn't had any disaster yet for the work, so that's a good thing, I guess. Anyway, so that's the video of today. I will try again tomorrow and see if I get anything, make any difference, but I'm sure I will. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Sambava Girl, and this is Antembi Sambav Sava. Thank you.